and her product has been previously registered with BIFAD under his father's name. It has been tested by the University of the Philippines and St. Luke's Medical Center. It was found to kill and reduce the growth of cancer cells by 50 to 80%. But all of a sudden, there is a group of medical societies complaining about her. You know, this case was brought to my attention by cancer patients of Dr. Farah, who greatly benefited from the services and the product. Kung maganda benepisyo, maganda nagiging resulta, registered naman sa inyo, lisensyado siya sa kanya, may nagre-reklamo mga medical societies, ina-address nyo kagad. Bakit yung mga albularyo hindi nila nirereklamo? Bakit yung marami nakikinabang nirereklamo nila?